Hey guys, this another tip. If your window glass falls down, which it did in my case, and some of the videos out there are showing that you need two people to actually do this. You don't. If you leave the motor in place right there, and then you hook up your controls, you can basically get it to exactly where you need. So all you need to do is basically push up the glass up top to put the panel in place, and then just wiggle it, and you can, tighten this. So in this case, the screw got a little loose. That's why they could get off the track. But everything's intact. So I got lucky. All it was is basically because the window was frozen to the rest of the frame, and I tried to open the window like a dumbass. It just basically got off this track, and you can see the gap is pretty wide. So this screw right here will tighten it. Now, yes, I could have installed new ones right here, which seem to be much better as far as clamping force, but there's no need. These are 20 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. If you need these, I'll post a link down where I got them on Amazon, but save your money. But anyway, so this is going to be a lot easier than anticipated. So yes, you still need to take everything off. And, I kind of went overboard with all the stuff that I took off. But yeah, if you have the motor in place, that's basically the gist of this video. If you have the motor in place, you can literally get it to these guide holes. So there you go. Right there. And then you can basically set the window right. Questions, comments, let me know. I'll be sharing a lot of these tips. So if you have questions, whatnot, post them up. And you can also hit me up on Instagram too. Link is in the comments. Thanks, guys.